my people, how na dey? We for TMC TV don get bring una ogbonge news, the latest wey dey happen for town. As we dey talk now, we dey for center of Benin City, that is Ring Road for King Square. Una sabi say the election e don come last time, another one dey come again this Saturday. So we wan waka around town make we know how people feel, how they feel for the last election, and this one wey dey come up so. Make una no forget say TMC TV dey give una the latest wey dey happen for town.
Election what we'll first do for Edo State, for Nigeria precisely, our mandate was not given to us. I believe the whole Nigeria voted Peter Obi. Most Nigeria voted for Peter Obi. For example, even the unit I voted, which is Ogbeson, when we were counting, Article will have 8. This other guy, Gidigba, will have 11 or 10. Then Obi will have 200 or something. But we were surprised that at the end of the story, our INEC chairman betrayed Nigerians. Then this forthcoming one, I want to urge all Nigerians, we don't need our former politician to continue again. All we need is change. And this is time we need to change the real change. To my side, if a person are crippled, come out from a Labour Party that has not been ruling before, that we have not seen before, I prefer to vote for that cripple in Labour than this PDP and APC, which have destroyed this country, and they will continue to destroy the country. I never see a reason why we vote for a man who is older than this our country. E.g., look at Tinubu, he's a sick man. I don't know I don't really know what he's looking for. Even the last time he came to Edo State, he was asked to test the microphone. Instead of talking, he was licking the microphone. Look at the other day, he was asked to pledge to this country. He was raising up his walking stick. I don't know why Nigerians prefer suffering than enjoyment. To me, I will urge all Nigerians to put their hands in Labour Party.
The election that is coming up on the 11th Saturday, like me, I'm not going to vote because, like our governor, which is Obaseki, saying that everybody should come and vote for him to have seats in the House of Assembly. He's failing because he's not doing the masses good. He's not doing the masses good. He's making things to be worse for the commoners. They themselves, they are enjoying their amenities good. Like for people who is going to vote, I'm begging the public, vote Labour Party as you've rightly done before. Because like me, I've taken up my decision, I'm not going to vote again. But if I still manage to go to the field, I'm voting for Labour Party. That is my party, which everybody wants us to come into the system. But they themselves, they have power they don't want to give Obi, which every masses want to be in the system. So please, everybody is very annoyed.
I already know, say, why you right from time. Even some presidents agree that they just put them there. So they don't even if you vote, they give to who they want to give. Who they want to give. That is the problem. That's only the problem I'm seeing in this country. No, we don't get anything when we go do more than we want to change government. This is what we want. We don't want APC that have reigned us down. You see what is happening now. Then you see talk of BDP. You know that BDP are doing nonsense, they are robbing everything, claiming that they are all and all. And the man coming now is telling people face to face that he will ring this vote when they come. If he win, he will send Nigeria. He will send MPC, buying everything that we people will rely on. So what do you want to, for my own mind now, we should try another person. Let us try somebody from, and let me not to mention the man we want to vote for in this Edo State. If you not vote, you cheated yourself. Except something warrants you not to vote. And only you will know between you and God. People should come out and vote. If they rob the vote, it's better than they don't. You say I no vote because they rob and let me not vote. Like me, I always vote every time.
That election when it pass. Now the more you look, the less you see. Now we go say INEC do us. all that complete obubu here. Because not be waiting INEC talk say they go do, not be it can finally happen. They tell us say they go upload result for every portal. So everybody go fit see am from polling units from their portal. But at the end, because I say even the result, presidential election, we not see am for portal. The National Assembly own, they go. Presidency own, not go. Which kind of magic they can't do? And that one I feel like they call government magic. Whether that INEC magic, me I go call am, me I don't call understand. True, Nigerians come out, come exercise their franchise. True, Nigerians talk say they want to take their destiny for their hand. People will come out. But unfortunately, for some area, we call the say kata jam everywhere. People when say they don't do a lot of development, when they say they will take campaign, they come begin they tear ballot paper, they tear everything through away. When it's not supposed to be the way forward. But that if we continue like that, Nigeria are not going to ever make progress. Sincerely speaking, for me, I say INEC, they not do their job. And they compromise. If they want to make Nigeria move forward, they want to make the true, may they give us the true result. Who win election, make it win election. Not be say, you go say person win. If not be a small thing, say some of the presidential candidates come out, they say for peace. Nigeria for begin the border, Kata for begin there everywhere. It is not completely wrong. Say you go take people, say they do obubu yeye. As far as I'm concerned, that INEC, what they do, Mahmoud, na obubu yeye, that he play Nigerians. This one when they come on Saturday, we go talk, say make INEC lift up their game. Make what happen for last election, make it not happen again. Make the two sisters say Nigerians come out, come vote, their vote count. And specifically for those states where we not go do a gubernatorial election, now only House of Assembly election we get. Make the people come out. Make them see, say, all the good things. Vote for goodness, vote for good nature of everything. At least for a very long time, I would say, Benin, they make progress. Any government where they do good, they need to return them back. Not be promise and fail what would they see for some quarters. I believe say security operatives, police, may they come out. May they ensure say the kind kata, the kind balance snatching, what we see for that last election, we not go see for this one. Make the people vote, make it count accordingly. And Nigerians may they vote for the right candidate, their choice they're supposed to vote for.
Like this, all the masses they vex. Because okay, make I start from the money to election. Then tell us say they want change money because of the election so that they no go rig am. But they rigged the election like never before, even with the money not being in circulation. Now, this coming Saturday, say they want to go for election. Me, for my own point and view, make the whole masses sit down for house. Make everybody sit down for house, because you cannot tell me that if everybody is sitting in the house, then international bodies will come and ask you, why did your people that came out for presidential election in mass did not come out? Then you now answer them that they did not come out because you rigged the election. It's a simple thing, because the election was rigged. No need where you go there, stand under rain, under sun, vote finish, your vote no go count. And the last one, imagine, in fact, the one wey pay me pass, we say Abuja, wey be the Federal Capital Territory, result never ready. Ekiti State wey no get airport, their result reach Abuja. How e take go na dispatch rider carry am go there? We no see am. They come now, come live. You go see inside 3 of them. Okay, 2. You see P2B picture, they put an APC. You see Tinubu picture, they put an APC. Who they fool me? For me, for my own point, everybody sit down for us this Saturday.
The election get as it be, we not go lie you. A lot of persons, the expectation when they expect, they not see them. And mostly the issue with INEC and the beavers. So it can't be like say the INEC when everybody rely on, they disappoint the masses. So mostly with the issue of the beavers, the inability when they don't feel upload election results to IRF server and all. So a lot of persons, a lot of Nigerians, we all day disappointed because we trooped out in mass that very day. We go vote for people when we know say go fit deliver the country. People when we know say go fit handle the economy, handle security and all. We go vote for somebody when we know say they competent to rule Nigeria. So but now at the end of the day now something else we dey see. So if somebody win election, normal, people suppose enter street, they jubilate. But on that day when they announce the election result, everybody, Nigeria be like a graveyard. Everywhere they silent. So now it just be that. So we are expecting something better in the forthcoming election. At least they should amend every loophole when they the previous one. At least let's see changes in the forthcoming election.
That election wey pass, na God know wetin happen. But this one wey dey come, I just pray make God let am still dey more better than the other one and more straightforward. Because the other one wey pass, me no understand wetin happen o. That's why I say, my people make una just dey careful when una wan vote next time. Make una no go fall for wrong hands o. But na God get life. That's why I say am.
Well, I go tell una say, in my own opinion, wetin we experienced last week, Friday, 25th of February, no be election, na selection. That so-called election, the rigging, massive rigging. If you know what happened in 1993, when Abiola win all over Nigeria, now it happened again. History just repeats itself 30 years later. The election was massively rigged in favor of Tinubu, whereas we all know Peter Obi won. Besides that, Tinubu make one contradictory statement online. Say he no say Nigerians no vote for her. If Nigerians no vote for you, how you can't win then? That question, a question where we need legitimate answer from him for. Because if Nigerians no vote for you, it clear say you rig the election. So this kind of thing, they make many Nigerians not even they concerned about exercising their fundamental human rights by voting. This upcoming Saturday, if I want to be honest with you, I go tell you, say many people who don't already get discouraged. With the presidential election, Beaver self no can they work. That is suspicious now. But they say this time it will work. I beg Nigeria, now we be our own problem. Those of una way they collect money, bribe to take votes for the wrong people. More than no say una just they mortgage your una children future and grandchildren future for nothing. Now penny wise pound foolish. They use your own money with their thief to bribe you. Waiting you gain. Vote for the right candidate. Vote for transparent governance. Vote for good governance. Now we need for Nigeria. No be all this wuru wuru, you don't too much. Our mumu don't do.